Dear contest holder, first of all, take my greetings, and the video is just for you so that I can let you know what I understand about your project. I'm MD Alal from Bangladesh. I read the full description of your project where you want to create a landing page for your caregiving agency. Also gave you a logo. That's nice. Let's take a look at my entries. Click entries, and this is my entry. I have already created a website for you so that you do not have to be late. So let's see your website. Click this link and copy, paste and go. I think this website will be good for you. As you said, I have given the color to the website, but your contest has not been added. So you can make me a winner in your contest that I can add your content here and deliver this website to quickly. Now let's discuss the feature of this website. I have added 5 pages in the header section where home, about us, some, or I hope you see this page yourself. Let's see if the website is mobile responsive or not. I inspect the page to check the responsive. You see, the website is full responsive and mobile friendly. So you don't have to worry about the website being responsive and friendly. Now I close the inspector. Let's check another feature which is very effective for your business, as you will find this feature very rarely on any website. When a customer click on this button, they will come to this page and can change a date as per their wish. And then they can contact you anytime as per wish. So I choose. Hopefully you will be very impressed with this feature. So these are some of the feature of this website. There are many also feature in the website that I want to let you know more if you win me in your contest. Let's see how to maintain the website as an admin, because this website is very easily to maintain. To access the website as an admin, enter WP admin after the original link of the website. Now enter. There is username and password. Now login. This is the dashboard of this website, and there are many menus in the left column, and from here you can maintain the appointment, post, gallery, service, contact from and customers. I want to give you one more video where this will be discussed, so I think this website will be very helpful in your business, and you will not find a website like this anywhere. So make me the winner in your contest so that I can make you one more video, and this we can finish our project by handover you by developing this website complete. If you want to know about me, search bdweb foundation in Google search engine to find out my many projects here. This is all of my project here. Although I am new to the freelancer marketplace, and I have a full 4 years of experience. So I want to make me you make me the winner in your contest and help me develop your website to the full